Mga idol at kabayan, breaking news! Israel gagawing Gaza ang Lebanon hanggang hindi tumitigil ang Hezbollah sa kanilang pagsalakay araw-araw binobomba ng Israel jet fighter ang mga Gusali na konektado sa nasabing grupo. China, hindi inaasa na tutuhanin ng Pilipinas ang pagbili ng Typhoon missile system sa Amerika. Typhoon missile nasa Pilipinas pa rin kahit anong gawing pagtutol at protesta ng China. Department of National Defense Secretary Theodore kinumpirma ang alyansang squad na binubuo ng Amerika, Pilipinas, Australia at Japan. China, napikon at nagalit sa ginawang show of force ng Pilipinas sa Kota Island sa West Philippine Sea. Militar ng Pilipinas tuloy ang ginawang pagsasanay na nakapokus sa pagbawi sa inagaw na isla ng China. Pilipinas, ipinakita ang paggawa ng mga missile boat na made in Philippines sa tulong ng Israel Shipyard. Wala talagang kadaladala ang Hezbollah mga kabayan sa tuwing naglulunsad sila ng mga rocket sa Israel. Ito ay nasusupil ng mga Iron Dome. Pero kapag Israel na ang nagpakawala ng mga bomba, wasak ang mga gusali na konektado sa teroristang grupo sa Lebanon. Aktual na video, panoorin. Hindi akalain ng China na darating ang araw na gagawin ito ng Pilipinas. Sa isang interview kay Department of National Defense Secretary Theodore Jr., plano talaga ng Pilipinas na bibili ito ng Typhoon mid-range missile system sa Amerika. Kaya ito ang dahilan kung bakit ang nasabing sistema na dinala ng Amerika sa Pilipinas noong Abril ng taong ito sa kasagsagan ng balikatan exercise ay nasa bansa pa rin para sanayin ang Armed Forces of the Philippines kahit paulit-ulit itong tinututulan ng China. Ang tanong, bakit galit na galit ang China? Marahil mga kabayan, wala sigurong kakayahan ang China na supilin ang missile na kayang ilunsad ng mid-range missile system ng Amerika, kaya't ganito na lang ang kanilang pagprotesta.
New aircraft that have been bought, new surface ships across the board, but also including missiles that have been acquired from India, and indeed just very recently reported your comments about the interest in acquiring the US Typhoon system as well. That is a very different set of capabilities to those that you referred to.
Kinumpirma naman ng Department of National Defense Secretary Theodore ang alyansang squad na binubuo ng Amerika, Pilipinas, Australia at Japan.
The squad is composed of the United States, the Philippines, Australia, and Japan. This is an agreement of 4 defense establishments to work together in maintaining regional peace and stability.
Sa isinagawang pagsasanay militar ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea, ipinakita ng hukbong sandatahang ng Pilipinas ang pagbawi sa isang isla na inagaw ng kalabang bansa. Idineploy ng Philippine Navy ang barkong pandigma na dating ibinigay ng Amerika sa bansa at mga bagong fast attack interdiction craft missile. Nabili ni naman ng Pilipinas sa Israel. Ang misyon ng Armed Forces of the Philippines bawiin ang Kota Island na bahagi ng teritoryo ng Pilipinas sa Kalayaan Island Group sa West Philippine Sea na inagaw ng China. Mas malayo ang Kota Island mula sa Palawan pero hindi ito hadlang na ipakita ng Pilipinas sa China, Vietnam o Malaysia na tayo ang may karapatan at nagmamay-ari ng mga islang ito sa West Philippine Sea. Nagpalipad din ang Armed Forces of the Philippines ng mga helicopter at eroplano upang ikutan ang nasabing isla. Kinumpirma naman ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na nagsagawa din ito ng live fire exercise bilang bahagi ng Ajax Dagit pa. Kahit anong gawing legal ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea, mali pa rin ito para sa mata ng China. Hindi naman nagustuhan ng China ang ginawang show of force ng Pilipinas. Ayon sa China, iwasan daw ng Pilipinas ang pagpakita ng puwersa na posibleng magpapalala ng tensyon sa West Philippine Sea.
Area of West Philippine Sea will be conducting a series of exercises, all of which will be taking part in the western portion of Palawan. We will be having island seizure exercises, amphibious counter-landing exercises, and air defense exercises. Kasama dyan yung joint intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance and maritime security exercises. That answers your question. Okay. We will be doing live fire.
So,
absolutely. Magla-live fire tayo.
So what assets could we expect?
A combination of maritime-based assets and air-based assets.
Ships, guns?
Yes, ships, guns, and also ground-based artillery.
Sir, meron kayong minesweeping exercises?
Yes, meron kami.
Minesweeping?
Yes. Same way they've always responded. They have a front seat to the exercise. Manonood sila. Yes. And we don't mind.
Yung aggression, sir, we're not expecting that.
No.
What if
Pero is this aimed at China, sir? Exercises?
This is not aimed at anybody. This is purposely conducted to improve our combat readiness and to guarantee that our joint forces are fully competent and proficient to carry out their mandate.
Sa ibang balita naman sa tulong ng Israel, kauna-unang missile boat na made in Philippines, ipinakita ng Philippine Navy. Wow na wow!
Facility. The transfer of technology training of Naval Sea Systems Command Naval Shipyard personnel by Israel Shipyard Ltd. The second phase entails the reinforcement of the technical know-how acquired upon the personnel's return to the command. Lastly, the third phase includes the continuous improvement of Naval Shipyard as a repair facility of the Navy. With the issuance of the Notice of Award in January 2021, the 10 billion FAIC missile acquisition project commenced, followed by the following activities and milestones. March of this year, BRP Lulinato Toong or PG-902 was dry docked at the NSC Wharf, where it underwent comprehensive maintenance, including a detailed inspection of the bottom hull and underwater appendages. All critical preparations for the in-house modular assembly of FAIC No. 8. The arrival of FAIC No. 8 in September, on the other hand, signaled the commencement of transfer of technology. This transfer includes 6 stages. The pre-stage, wherein the vessel is unloaded from the mothership and transferred to Cavite Shipyard. Next is the completion of hot works to include the assembly and welding of the deckhouse, mast, and foundations. The second stage includes the completion of the external painting systems of FAIC missiles. Third, the completion of the internal outfitting of the vessel, including electrical work, piping, and carpentry works. Fourth is the launching of the vessel and the testing of its system whether they are ready for seaboard operation or not. Lastly, Stage 5 entails the sea trials and endurance run of the vessel. In the span of 3 months from its arrival, the collaborative effort of the Naval Shipbuilding Center Naval Shipyard and Israel Shipyard Limited personnel ensured the completion of the modular assembly of FAIC No. 8. Underscoring the Philippine Navy's commitment to advancing its shipbuilding infrastructure, but also sets a precedent for future projects that will enhance the Navy's operational readiness and self-reliance.
Laban Pinas!